Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition is disengaged for safety. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield from scratches. Lift the wiper arm gently away from the glass until it locks into the upright position. Always be careful not to let it snap back down onto the glass. Now, let's proceed with removing the old blade. Look for a small tab or button located where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the hook. It should detach quite easily. Once the old blade is off, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto your windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Once both are installed, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Make sure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.